cards?
No.
These are some huge Uno cards. Somebody about to lose real bad. Somebody getting beat real bad.
No.
Somebody who getting beat real bad?
You're winning, and look at all that.
I'm winning. You right. You got it. Let's see what you got.
+2.
Uh-huh.
Come on. Take
+2.
1.
Oh, you did. And then you trying to. Okay.
+2.
Oh, you a little hater now. Okay. Okay.
+4.
Oh, okay. All right. I shouldn't record this.
The color is yellow. It's yellow still.
Okay. All right. So I see what we're doing.
That's my turn.
Right.
Uno. I win.
Okay. So
I win.
I think I should edit this out. She had 2 cards, y'all. She had 2 cards to the side. No, that game don't count because you had 2 cards. And you talking about some Uno out. And you, okay. All right. Let's run that back. Y'all, my little cousin did me so dirty. You seen that Uno game? You seen she was cheating? But I did take a beautiful morning walk with my dog Blue, and it was just so beautiful that I thought to capture how nice the day looked. Really helped me relax and enjoy and be grateful for my surroundings. And yeah, just wanted to share that with you. So this detox that you see that's coming up, I had an apple for breakfast. Let me tell you something. So my friend told me about this detox that she's seen on Instagram, and I have not drank it yet, but I did take a spoon just to, get a taste. 0 out of 10 for the taste. I might have to put a little bit more cinnamon in it. But on Instagram, they were saying, if you drink this, you'll lose a few pounds, and I need to lose a few pounds because I'm trying to get fine. Let me rephrase that, finer. So it took some simple, ingredients: apple, lime, cinnamon, water, and just cut it up. And you're supposed to boil it, then strain it, and it's supposed to work. I'll keep you updated on how that goes. I'm not taking this. They were like, oh, you need to take it in the morning before you eat breakfast. Y'all not having me going into work probably with the bubble guts. No, sir, no, ma'am. So what I'll do is I'll begin this process tonight when I get home from work before I go to bed. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not playing with the internet, and I'm not playing with y'all. 2 things I don't play with. So this is me cutting up the apple and showing you, the aftermath of me cutting up the apples. I already had cut up the limes. I thought I was recording cutting up the limes, but obviously I didn't. So I have those cut up. I have my cinnamon with me. And I'll list the ingredients in the description box if you would like to follow, but if not, it's pretty understandable. So I put it in the pot, and then I add the bottled water. I use Pure Life for the water. And yeah, I'm supposed to boil it for about 15 minutes, right? Boil it for 15 minutes. And then strain it and let it sit for about an hour. And then after that, you're supposed to see the results, right? But I did end up with riding my bike. This was a short mini blog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Promise